Hey, I'm Sour and I make videos about hardstyle production while pretending this doesn't hurt my actual hardstyle production. And today, one of you wanted to see me suffer, and admittedly I deserve some suffering. This comment, which will show up more and more throughout my life because it's quite a long one, again, like, thank you for the inspiration, figured it would be really fun to see me make something in a certain time span. So today we're gonna make a melodic hardstyle drop in under half an hour, which is 30 minutes for you Americans. There's a timer. I will also edit it on screen, because when I will inevitably fast forward for your viewing pleasure, you can see when I cheat, right? I had a great melody idea like 5 minutes ago, and then I started recording and boop. So let's see. I want this to be da 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 ba ba ba. Let's make the bass first, right? So this already sets the rhythm, which is good. Da 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 da. This needs to be a bit more funky, and for making something funky I tend to play a lot with note length, and if you make an offbeat note a bit shorter, it tends to feel quite funky. So yeah, I think this could be cool. You see me sing a lot during stuff like this, and that is because singing helps. If I sing a note and I press the wrong note, it will not be gone. Whereas if you have a note in your head and you place the wrong note, that reference is fucking gone. If you sing it, da 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 da, I can da 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 da, I can just go back to that. Ba da ba 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 ba. Let's see, bass note, bass note, bass note. I think this could work. Bit cheesy. Like everything I make. Let's see, maybe there? Then let's copy paste something of like this. And the reason why we copy paste a lot of stuff like this is because this melody itself is rhythmically kind of weird, or like irregular. So if you have something recognizable, like for example this, you can get back some of the recognizability points, right? Oh, this is genius, because right now this, and this repeats again, like making sure the whole thing feels more in line. Even rhythmically, you could say it's also in there. So that's great, I think. And I think this is awful to listen to. So I'm gonna add another silence for moral support. It's not gonna do anything, it's just for moral support right there. Of course not! I'm gonna make this sound pretty. And with pretty I mean I have a lot of videos where I discuss making chords. And if you want to watch something less painful, my more recent uploads are pretty good. I think I have a very recent melody tutorial, like Get Better at Melody Writing or whatever, where I discuss how to make melodies and how to troubleshoot wherever you're stuck with, or whatever you're stuck with. What if you actually make a bass? Fuck time limit. Shit. Let's just select the bass, because I'm not gonna like make a bass and then not use it in a drop, right? I should learn to turn off notifications. And let's make the chords a bit more interesting, because I honestly cannot deal with this anymore. So in case you're wondering what the fuck I'm doing, I honestly do not really know myself either. Oh yeah! Let's finish the melody for the second half. I think with this lovely bass, it's gonna be way easier. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-da-da-da. So we got the melody, we got the bass, we got the chords. We're gonna make some actual layers, because this right now sounds a bit of like ass. I hate the delay on this. I always hate internal effects like delay and reverb. It's never actually works in the song, because you're always gonna mute it, but it's like one step more to insanity. Speaking of insanity, god damn it. And this one sounds a bit broken, which I think is just cute. So, yes please. So let's actually make the harmony layers. So in case you've never made these, what the fuck's wrong with you? This is the best way to add richness to whatever you're making. Like, holy shit, your songs are missing out. So you're basically adding second and third voices like in vocal harmony, but to your melody. And I see my time is already fucked, so yay! Cool. Fuck, 10 minutes left. Okay, I'm gonna rush this. Let's give this a preset. Let's say... Cool. Let's give this a preset, say... Cool. Let's actually make... And you bet your ass I'm not gonna, like, name these. Oh, fuck, this is clipping. Of course it is. Let's send all these to the lead bus. The lead bus is not sent to anything else, so let's make a side chain. If we have time for that, let's send this to this track only. So guess what? It's time for the kicks. God damn it. So we're gonna grab a nice crunch kick. We're gonna get a nice punch. And we're gonna get a nice trigger. And there's no way to trigger the hardstyle community than you like using a zaagkick. Ooh. Okay, we've had our fun. Like this, stretch to size, and duplicate until satisfied. Did I not pitch this? I did not pitch this. I am incredibly bright. This is gonna be so fucking tight. It's impressive if I actually pull this off. Cool. Wait, no, is there like a good enough? Hell yeah, I even have like a second left or whatever to... Oh, more to do kick rolls. Damn it, we can do kick rolls. Shit. 30 seconds, damn it. This is not the time to do weird shit. 20 seconds. fuck, fuck, fuck. This is the last time I'll ever do stuff like this, holy shit. 4 seconds, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Holy shit. Okay, this is the very first time I ever like did something on a strict time limit like that. And I honestly always thought like the stress at the end that you see in challenges like these is like entirely made up, but holy fuck. It is time for the end result. Please do not be too harsh. I only had 30 fucking minutes for it. Oh, that last kickroll sounds off. Fuck.